Welcome to our deep learning course for object detection with Python and PyTorch. Are you ready to take your understanding of deep learning to the next level and learn how to apply it to real-world problems? This comprehensive course is designed to give you hands-on experience using Python and PyTorch to build, train, and test deep learning models for object detection applications. Object detection is a computer vision task to assign a class label and a bounding box to all objects in the image. Object detection involves classification and localization. Deep learning based object detection methods have gained significant popularity due to high level of accuracy. Deep learning models take input image and outputs a label and a bounding box to all objects in the image. So why you must invest your valuable time to learn object detection? Because object detection has a wide range of potential real-life application in many fields. Object detection is used for autonomous vehicles to perceive and understand their surroundings. It helps in detecting and tracking pedestrians, vehicles, traffic signs, traffic lights, and other objects on the road. Object detection is used for surveillance and security using drones to identify and track suspicious activities, intruders, and objects of interest. It enables real-time monitoring and threat detection in public spaces, airports, banks, and other security-sensitive areas. Object detection is used for traffic monitoring, helmet and license plate detection, player tracking, defect detection, industrial usage, and much more. In this course, you will follow a complete object detection pipeline from dataset model training, testing to results visualization. This course is designed for students and researchers who want to become machine learning engineers, deep learning engineers, data scientists, computer vision engineers, to learn how to use PyTorch to build and train deep learning models for object detection. I will also provide you all the Python code so that you can practice and get started immediately. By the end of this course, you will have the knowledge and skills you need to start applying deep learning to object detection problems in your own work or research. This course is a perfect way to take your understanding of deep learning to the next level. So what are you waiting for? Enroll it now and let's get started on this exciting journey of deep learning with Python and PyTorch. See you in the first lesson.